Hey everyone, hello, welcome. Super excited tonight. I'm going to be showing you a really cute St. Patrick's Day either party favor or little gift for someone using some M&M candies and the St. Patrick's Day printable. Now, I have 4 different ones that I have printed on a sheet for myself, but in the package that you get on in the Etsy shop, there are 4 different printables, 4 per sheet. And then it's having a friend like you is 1 sheet, working with someone like you, having a teacher like you, and we are having friends like you. And then they all say, we are lucky having friends like you, or I am lucky and I gnome it. Okay. So they're these super cute little guys here. Hi, Ann. How are you? And I'm going to see if I can. I don't know if it's going to let me. I don't think it's going to let me. So here's the little printables. I'm going to be cutting those out. I'm going to show you how I'm going to make the little hat that goes with them that has the little M&M candies in them. I'm using the M&M, the mint ones, just because they're green, and I love mint. I love the smell of it. So I'm going to quick go on my other screen here before I get started. And I'm just going to make sure that I am live in the right place. If you're watching, please say hello. Let me know that you're watching, and if you're catching the replay, give me a hashtag replay. I would appreciate that. That would be awesome. Yay, there I am. So I'm going to quick share it into my other group here. Before we get started. There we go. All right. All right, so I'm going to share that into that group as well. Okay, so I'm going to tip you down so that you can see exactly what I'm doing. And here are the little printables. Again, I have 4 different ones because I'm going to show each one. But what you get when you purchase the printable is you get one kind 4 times on a sheet, and you'll get 4 different sheets with your purchase. So it's kind of a good deal because you get all of them. So, and then you can make as many prints as you would like. So I am just using plain old scissors here. And I'm going to cut them out. And I'm just going to I'm going to quick take this one out just so that it's easier for me to cut. So I'm just going to go around and just kind of fussy cut. And again, you get 4 of these little Gnome guys per sheet. And you get 4 different sheets when you purchase the bundle. So you can use them for multiple things. You can use them as teacher gifts for kids, to give for St. Patrick's Day, just a cute little teacher appreciation kind of gift. Gifts for friends. And then somebody that you work with. So it could be just a coworker or a boss or whatever. And these are super, super fun, super easy. Okay. So I have my little gnome cut out here. It didn't take me hardly any time at all. And I have these little triangle, not so little, I'm gonna have to cut it, but these cellophane triangle bags that I got from Hobby Lobby. And I should have tried opening this ahead of time. Oh no. Let's see if that'll make it better. All right. It is not opening for me. Oh my goodness. I can't get it to open. Ah, there we go. All right. So I did cut it down because I do not need that big of a bag. And all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my M&Ms here. And I'm gonna fill up my little triangle, just like so. And I have a little, a little silver twist tie. I had one out before, I don't know what I did with it, so I'm gonna have to grab a different one. Or maybe I meant to grab it and I never cut this open either. All right, so I have this little silver twist tie, and all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tie this up, give the twist tie a little twist, and then I'm gonna kind of figure out where this fits best for his hat, okay? So looking at it, it just kind of fits best like right here. So I'm gonna grab some Scotch tape. I already had it out here. And I'm just gonna tape it to the back. And then I'm also gonna do just around, just to kind of tack it in place right here at the top part of his hat. And there I have a super cute little gnome treat. And again, this one is hanging or having friends like you. We are lucky and we gnome it. Super, 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 super cute. Super simple. Oh my gosh, it doesn't get much more simple than that. These would make a really cute little party favor again, or gift, or whatever you'd like to use it for. I'll do another one since we've got time. So let's see, we'll do the coworker one here. For those that maybe just jumped on. So again, you get 4 of these in a sheet. And there are 4 different sheets. And you can make as many copies as you like for personal use. And I'm just using plain old scissors to kind of cut around the outside. Great thing with these is that they are really bright colors, so you know, if you want to take them somewhere to get them printed, you can take them to any of your favorite print shops around, get them printed, get a bunch of copies made. It's pretty inexpensive to get copies made, especially color ones these days. It's not so bad. All right, so again, I have my little gnome cut out here. And this one is working with someone like you. I'm lucky and I gnome it. Happy St. Patrick's Day. And again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this. This is way too big, but they didn't have any smaller ones. So, unfortunately, I do have to cut it. And these are a little tricky to open. There we go. Just kind of had to rub my fingers across it to loosen that up. And again, I have some little mint M&Ms. And I'm just filling up my bag a little bit. You can make the hat as long as you want. And I have these little twist ties here. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of line them up. Kind of have my twist tie going down so that doesn't show. And I'm taking a little bit of Scotch tape. Just gonna tape it down. And there you go. You have this super cute, hey Deb, how are you? Super cute little little party favor, little gift for someone you work with, a friend. I have the teacher one. So they're super, super, super cute, super fun, super easy, guys. I just did 2 different ones in a matter of just a few minutes. So really easy, really fun, really cute. And again, all I did was I bought some little the mint M&Ms. They're green. They have dark, medium, and light green. And they smell so good. I love mint chocolate, so I'm a big, big fan. So there you go. These will be on, these little gnome guys, again, will be in the Etsy shop by tomorrow morning. They are pretty much all ready to go. I just need to list them. And again, you get 4 different sheets. So each one of the sheets will have one saying. So it'll say, having a teacher like you, I'm lucky and I gnome it. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Having a friend like you, I'm lucky and I gnome it. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Having friends like you, we are lucky and we gnome it. And then this one is, working with someone like you, I'm lucky and I gnome it. Happy St. Patrick's Day. So 4 per sheet, 4 different sheets. So you get a sheet of each of these, each of the little gnomes on a sheet. So hopefully that was fun, helpful, and just a cute little idea for St. Patrick's Day coming up. I know tomorrow's March 1st. I can't believe it already. It's just crazy to me. So have a great night, guys. And I may be on with another St. Patrick's Day. I'm kind of working on one back here. So I may see you later again tonight. So have a great rest of the night if I don't. And if I do, I'll see you later tonight. Bye.